Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While modeling any component in Creo Parametric, first do the add material features, then do the remove material features. So for this component I am going to start from bottom. First I am going to create a plate of 26 mm length and 112. So first we'll model this component. First go to the Creo Parametric, new. So make sure you are in the part and solid. Give a name. So untick this use default template. Say OK. Here our dimension are in mm. So we have to choose mm template. So mm part solid absolute. Say OK. So I'm just taking a top plane, sketch view. First we'll create the center line. Press the roller to confirm. Now just go to the model. First we'll create the rectangle and we'll extrude into 12 mm length. So take the rectangle of center rectangle. So here 2600. Change the dimension into a 26. This one we make it as 100. Split screen. Just say OK. Extrude. Press Ctrl D. Check which direction it's going. Now just make it symmetry. And the thickness of model is 12. Here you can see 12. Say OK. So now we have created this plate. Now the next feature is we just want to extrude this. Here you just make it as a rectangle. So in the round feature we'll do it in the latter. So this face will draw and will extrude in the length of 26 plus 12. 26 plus 22 plus 22. So I'm just taking this mid plane, sketch view. So go to the reference, take this edge and this edge as a reference and close it. Now here we just want to make a rectangle, L shape. Just go take a line here. So I have made this shape. Now we'll specify the dimensions. This is 40 and this height is 20 plus 35. This one is the 40. This one is 20 plus 35. This dimension is 20. Now we have to specify this dimension. That dimension is 35. So now we have specified all the dimensions. Now just say OK. Extrude. Just rotate and see your object. Make it symmetric. The extrusion length is 26 plus 22. This side also there is 22. So just type it here. 26 plus 22 plus 22. So this is our model. Just say OK. Now we just want to model this feature. So for that, so select this front surface, sketch view. Now we want to take a reference of this bottom edge. So go to reference. This edge you take it as a reference, just close it. Now the center of the circle they have given 36 from here and center of this object. So just put circle randomly. So the center distance is, go to dimension, from here to here 36 and the diameter they have given the radius of 16. So go to dimension, radius is 16. Okay, the inside hole we will make it later. Now is done. Now just say OK. Now we have created a circle here. Extrude, change the direction to next. Yes. Now just say OK. Now we have model up to this. Next we'll do the remove material features. So first we'll put one round here. So go to round, select this edge. The radius of the round is 25. Just say OK. Now this is OK. Next we'll put a hole here. Just select this hole, select this axis. Now the diameter of the hole, select this axis, press the Ctrl and select the surface. Now we have placed the hole correctly. Next we just want to specify the diameter and deep. Now the diameter is 12 and deep is 16. Just specify that. Diameter is 12 and deep is 16. Just say OK. Next feature is we just want to make a triangle cut here. Select this mid plane, sketch and sketch view. Here just take the reference, then close. Now we just want to put a triangle of 10 and 12. So here take a line from the bottom to here, here and here. So this distance is 10. Remaining you just keep it. Just say OK. Extrude, symmetric, options, to next. Now we have created the cut here also. Just go to the standard orientation and shaded with edges. The next feature is we just want to make a round here. So this is our final feature. Now just go to the round, select this edge, now 3 is enough. Use the same round size and say OK. So now we have finished our model using Creo Parametric. Now we can save this file. Just go to the file, save as, save a copy. Just give the name and save it. So now we have finished our model. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.